Harmony Science Academy rocketry teams have become national finalists for this year's Team America Rocketry Challenge. More than 830 teams from across the country competed this year, and only 100 teams made it to the finals. Harmony Science Academy qualified for the competition, making it the only school in El Paso, sending 2 teams to Virginia this weekend.
We are challenged to put 3 raw eggs into our rockets, and throughout the flight they shouldn't be cracked.
The Team America Rocketry Challenge is the world's largest student rocket contest with a goal to build a stronger U.S. STEM workforce.
It's super cool to be able to do your own rockets because not a lot of people know how to do them.
Local Harmony students among just 101 others in the entire country, edging out more than 750 teams to participate in the National Team America Rocketry Challenge in Washington, D.C. next weekend.
I'm very proud of my team, and I am very proud of how far we've made it.
Educators say the after-school club began less than a year ago and is already skyrocketing.
We're very happy and proud of our students because even though it's our first year, they put a lot of effort and hard work.
Hard work that also became quite the learning experience for these space cadets.
You need to know how to calculate the masses, how to calculate how fast it goes.
The club also helping students navigate towards successful futures.
I wasn't sure of what I wanted to major in once I got to college, and being a part of this club has really shaped and guided me as far as career-wise.
Aside from my soul.